In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time and costs in Asana for accurate budgets. Start by opening Asana and heading straight to the project where you track work hours. This should be the central place your team uses for tasks related to client work, internal initiatives, or any effort where time matters. Make sure you have the right permissions so you can edit fields and see reporting later. Next, set up how you'll capture time. You can either add time tracking fields directly to the project or connect a time and budget add-on from the app integrations. If you're adding fields, create ones for estimated time and actual time using a consistent unit like hours. If billable work is part of your process, add a billable toggle or drop-down as well. If you opt for an add-on, follow its setup prompts. Most will automatically create the fields you need and unlock helpful reports. If your tool or add-on supports cost tracking, add each person's hourly rate. Rates can live in the integration or as a custom field that only admins can edit. Keep the currency and format consistent. Setting this up once ensures every hour logged converts into cost. So downstream reports show accurate totals per person without extra effort. Now capture time on the work itself. For every task, enter the estimated time before work begins to set expectations and align scope. As work progresses, update the actual time to reflect reality. If your team uses subtasks, log time at the level you plan to report on, and stay consistent across the project. Encourage teammates to update actuals daily or at key milestones so your numbers stay current. If some of your work is billable, mark time as billable or non-billable as you go. Use the field you created or the add-on's built-in toggle. Apply it the same way across tasks to avoid confusion later, and double-check that internal tasks are clearly marked non-billable to keep client invoices clean and cost accurate. Finally, review your budget or timesheet report to see cost per person. Open the report in your add-on or Asana's reporting area, choose the relevant project and date range, and filter by assignee. You should now see each person's total hours multiplied by their rate along with overall totals. Compare estimated versus actual time to spot variances early and use billable filters to view what's client-facing versus internal. Follow these steps and you'll have a clear, reliable picture of time and cost in Asana, ready for budgeting, forecasting, and billing.